Good afternoon, class. Welcome to Chapter 13 for our AnatPhys course. This chapter is all about the endocrine system, and starting with 13.1, we need to figure out what is the endocrine system. What exactly is it? Well, the endocrine system is in charge of producing hormones. And going from largest to smallest, we start with just the full system. The full system, endocrine system, is a collection of specialized cells and tissues that secrete hormones, and those hormones do different things throughout your body. We have endocrine glands. These are ductless organs that secrete hormones into the blood, interstitial fluid, and the lymph. That's the main glands that are included with the endocrine system. Hormones are defined as chemical messengers. They're messengers that are secreted by the endocrine glands, circulate in the bloodstream, and act on specific cells in the body. So throughout your body, you have the hormones. It's just they only act on certain parts of your body. Here's a diagram. It didn't transfer over very well from the online, so you can probably look at your book diagram and see it a little bit more clearly. But just to point out a few of our endocrine glands, we have the pituitary gland up here in the brain, the hypothalamus, pituitary, and it secretes these different hormones. We'll talk about these in a little more in the near future. Get comfortable with these shorthand acronyms here. It's the ACTH, the TSH, the FSH, and the LH. These guys are all in charge of helping to control and monitor your body. Down here, it's a little hard to read, but this is the adrenal gland. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, is produced there. Oxytocin, aldosterone, the epinephrine. Kidney is also down here, erythropoietin and renin. These, again, I'm sorry that the diagram, I tried to fix this. It didn't fix very well. So you'll have to use your book to see that. In males, we also have the testes. Females, the ovaries, they produce some hormones. The pineal gland, this produces melatonin. Thyroid, thyroxine, and thyroxine, calcitonin. Parathyroid glands produce parathyroid hormone, PTH. There's a thymus gland, which is located near and on the heart. Thymosin and thymopoietin is produced there. The heart itself, atrial neuritic hormone. Stomach produces gastrin. Pancreas produces glucagon and insulin. Somatostatin produces secretin and cholecytokinin. And yeah, those are a lot of the hormones and a lot of the glands that produce them. We'll be looking at, in some detail, quite a few of these. So the endocrine system, like I said, produces hormones. Hormones have access to every single cell. Now, just because they have access to all the cells doesn't mean they act on all the cells. Each hormone acts only on a specific cell, the target cell. Only specific cells have receptors for specific hormones. You have to have specific receptors in order for the hormone to function. Endocrine control is slower than the nervous system, so it's not quite as quick. And like we talked about, fast reflexes, fast reaction, that's going to be the nervous system. Slower moderation, slower control, that's the endocrine system. These two systems, however, do interact with each other. So that is a quick overview of 13.1 and the beginning of our endocrine system chat. So here are key concept questions. Number one, what structures are included in the endocrine system? 2, what is the initial destination of secreted hormones? 3, on what cells do hormones act? Number 4, how does the endocrine control of body activities compare to nervous control in terms of speed? Which one's faster, which one's slower? That is all for 13.1.